semblance within, so that you can take on the world. Because you need to be, what I feel, you need to have that equilibrium within, so that you can be powerful outside.
Lovely.
And yeah, and I feel that the relationship between a man and a woman, I mean, feminism today, feminism isn't woman versus man. It's men and women together. It's about equality. And there's this new wave of feminism that's come about, which is about aggression, and it's a lot, I feel it's very destructive, and it's going towards, I mean, I heard of this term called feminazi, which is the female equivalent of male chauvinist. I feel that there should be a harmony between the two sexes. If either of the two tries to take the place of the other, there will be chaos. And there just needs to be a harmony and a sense of equilibrium between the two.
A yin and a yang.
A yin and a yang.
Yes,
exactly.
excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you, Meera. I really appreciate you taking this time.
Thank you so much.
Everyone, a round of applause for Meera.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your life and your insights and a little bit about you with all of us.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Happy
you.
Women's Day.
So everyone, how are you doing? I can't hear you applauding. Are you awake?
Come on, hi. You can do a little better than that. Hi. Yes, that's what it is.
What do you say hi in Swedish?
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Merlin D'Souza. I don't think she needs any presentation, right?
Don't stop, go on.
Give her a hand. Come on, a little energy. And for those of you, I think most of you who don't know me, I'm Nicola, and I've been born and brought up in this fantastic, I think it's the best city in the world. Which one is it? Thank you. I heard one person say Delhi, but we don't agree with you. We believe it's Bombay, it's Mumbai. And I've been living in Sweden for 20 years now, and I've been working with music over there. And you can take a person out of India, but you can never take India out of the person. And I've been coming back, and as I've been coming back, I found my music soulmate, who I've known for years and years. We learned piano from the same teacher. And I found my music soulmate in Merlin. And today I stand here. I've flown specially from Sweden because I knew it was the 8th of March. It's celebrated, and I'm here today to celebrate India's daughters. That's what we call ourselves. Our vision.
Mind, body and soul, and don't be afraid to be yourself. You want to be a mother, you want to be a working woman, you want to be a college student, you want to study your whole life, do what you want.
What do you want to say to those men who troll the woman in social inside on inequality and clothes and all? Yeah.
I think it's very immature. It's about time we accept that the world is made of two halves, men and women, and we must learn to respect each other and to be proud and to be happy for one another.
आपने अभी कहा जब डिस्कशन चल रहा था कि बहुत प्रेशर हो, आपने भी प्रेशर कहा है, लेकिन बहुत ऐसा होता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बिलोंग करके आपको हमेशा फिट रखना पड़ता है, बहुत प्रेशर होता है, लेकिन आपने चूज़ किया घर पर रहने के लिए। लेकिन बहुत लोग ऐसे चाहते हैं कि क्या करें, उन्हें समझ में नहीं आता, कई स्टार्स बाहर आते हैं। आप पर्सनली क्या मानते हैं?
Motherhood is a very personal journey and it depends on what you would like to do. मुझे ऐसा अच्छा लगा कि मैं टाइम ले हूँ और मैं अपने आप को अंदर से आई एम हेल्दी फ्रॉम इनसाइड and there was no hurry for me to be out and I took care of myself and I'm much happier today because I took time for myself and I took time to spend with my child in those initial few months. I'm very happy for him because parenthood is an extremely special journey and becoming a parent is a very joyous occasion. So I think all of us should be happy for him. I know how happy I was when I became a mom and Shahid and I both were extremely happy. So everyone should be happy for him.
हमेशा खबरें आती है कि आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आएंगी, या प्रोड्यूसर या डायरेक्टर या...
मैंने तो नहीं सुना है, आप खुद बना रहे हो.
What's the plan of Holi celebration? Holi आ रही है क्या?
Be happy, live life colorfully. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
सही बात कर रहे हो.
चिपका देंगे.
चिपका दोगे.
Look your center. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. चल रहमान भाई. जी क्या कहना चाहिए वुमेन्स डे के बारे में, पूरी कंट्री की वुमेन्स को आज कैसे?
आई थिंक एज अ वुमन आई थिंक पहले हमें फैमिलीज़ को कहना चाहिए, जब भी वो अपने बच्चों को व्हेन दे ब्रिंग अप देयर चिल्ड्रन, पेरेंट्स को बताना चाहिए टू देयर सन्स, दे शुड टेल देम हाउ टू ट्रीट वुमेन. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट एडवाइस आई वुड.
Those men who told the women in the social networking site
One tight slap. What to tell?
Because in some cities and all, there is equal, non-equality.
Yes.
Equality in gender. They also comment on the dresses and all the postures. What do you like to say about that?
I think for women, you can be strong, you can be confident. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. But I think the best thing is, like I said, you tell the parents to bring up their sons properly, and it starts at home. So once you teach your sons to respect women, to treat them well, I think that's where the problem lies.
If you get a power for one day, what you will give the punishment from that?
If I get the power for one day, it depends how. I will be very hardworking. I won't sleep that night, and I will get up very early. And depends how mean the men are and what their punishment should be different for different people. So from slaps to probably castration, I don't know. Depends. Some men are really horrible, so for them, yeah, very, very bad saza is good.
What message you like to give to women?
Well, for women, like I said, be strong. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. Don't let anyone put you down. Don't let anyone tell you where to go, where to breathe, how to dress, what to think, especially. In our country, more than externally, people tell you what to think and tell you don't think like this, don't do this, don't sit here, don't look there, don't behave like that. So don't let anyone tell you that.
Holi is coming on 13. What's the plan of this? किस तरह से celebration होने वाली है? क्या करना है?
मेरा तो हर रोज़ होली है, मेरे बाल भी मेरे लाइफ में रंग ही रंग है. And now since Commando is released, I'm really happy with the feedback. Like you said also, thank you so much. It makes my day when people really like the film, क्योंकि हम लोग ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्म बनाते हैं, तो अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है.
Memorable appreciation you got from Bollywood industry.
लाइक आई सेड, नो एक्सेंट बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है. जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ लोग बोल रहे हैं एक्सेंट में वो एक्सेंट में बात कर लो. और हैदराबाद से भी मुझे बहुत फीडबैक मिल रहा था कि मैंने वो एक्सेंट सही तरीके से यूज़ किया है. तो आई एम हैप्पी, क्योंकि मैं हर फिल्म से कुछ अलग करती हूँ. लाइक 1920 में मैं पॉश थी, एंड मेरे साउथ फिल्म्स में सपोज एक फिल्म में मेरा एम किसी को रुलाना था, इस फिल्म में हंसाना था, 1920 में डराना था. तो आई लाइक डूइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
You're going for Dubai Festival.
I am. How you know? You don't know my schedule. Too good. This one is stock full, 100 on 100. Huh?
So how excited? Okay.
I have not packed my bags firstly, and I'm here. I'm not going to sleep, I think. But like I feel like when you're very happy, it's fine. This is my logic. If you're very happy, you don't look sleepy. So right now I'm not slept for some 10 days, but I'm very happy. So hopefully I look fresh now.
Any upcoming
So I do, but I don't want to share right now. I'll wait, let producers announce and all. But lots of stuff happening. Lots of new accents coming up in different movies.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.